Well, hi, this is Custom Works, and I'm Clint Allen. In today's quick Tick Talk, I've had a lot of questions from our proper start video when you change out your injectors and injector cups. A lot of people are not finding the unpluggable wire to jump to your battery on the newer 99.5s on up to 03s. Some people are not finding the solenoid or don't understand how to jump the solenoid. We're going to show you everything that you need to know right here. That way when I get these questions, I can just boom, throw this video out to the people who are asking the questions. So to start with, on 99.5 through 03, this wire harness right here basically runs across the top of the firewall. So it's going to be just like this right here. And here's the plug, and I'll give you some close-ups also. But here's the plug that I'm talking about. This can be located anywhere from here all the way down to where the battery is. And all you got to do is depress this and unplug it. Once again, there'll be a little video here that I added in showing you exactly what I'm talking about. So 99.5 up to 03, this is what I'm talking about right here. You simply unplug it. You can literally take the wire and connect it right to the battery. Ignition off, in neutral or in park. So park, automatic transmission, neutral, manual transmission. And this is how you crank the motor in order to get the oil back in, the fuel back in, everything back in, so it's quick to fire when you finally hit the ignition key. But anyways, that's how this situation works. Set that down. Next is the solenoid, and once again we'll have close-ups of this too. Now on most pickup trucks that are going to be 99.5 and under, and the reason why I say most is because some people watching here have vans or cubes, chassis models, and these are going to vary on the location, but nonetheless it's usually going to be on this side right here. And they're always mounted exactly right here. So all you have to really do with these is take a regular screwdriver and cross where your positive comes in to this right here. Screwdriver, pliers, doesn't make a difference. Just note that one side is going to be hot from the battery and one side is going to go to the starter. This right here is what activates it, and you just touch the two together and that's what'll crank the engine on over. Now if this is in an obscure place, if you have a cube van or a chassis truck or a chassis van, And we can go also right to the starter. This right here is one of the mini starters. This is probably what most of you have, is the little baby starter. And you got the main positive that gets hooked up from your battery right here. And then right here is the starter wire that comes from your ignition. And you can just simply go and get one of these right here. There's all different types. You got the push button here, or you got the little trigger. They're really cheap to get. And you just hook one side up to the battery positive up on top here, and hook up the other side to right here. And I'll once again have closer pictures of this, but right here, and you just clip it right on, and that'll give you your positive source to engage the starter. So it's as simple as that. Hope you've learned something today, and you take it easy, and you have a good day.